Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Allie. I'm new to YouTube too, so I'm just learning stuff as well. This is gonna be a Halloween room tour edition 2020, and I'm just gonna, you guys can see some of the posters in the background. I'm gonna show you guys my room. It's Halloween decorated themed. I love Halloween. And so if you can see that guy right there, it is my favorite. But I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys where I got the stuff from, how much I paid for it, and show you how I put my room together at a cheap and affordable spooky price. If you want to know, keep watching this video. Okay, so I'll start over here. This is my kind of like desk area. And at my desk area, first off, I have this Jason ski mask. Ski mask was $1 and I got it at Dollar Tree. And then there is this pterodactyl guy right here. He cost $1, and then I just put a dry erase marker in him. And that's another ski mask, and that ski mask was $1 as well. This is a Command Central board. Sorry, there's a glare on it, but it kind of just says morning routines, habit trackers. Apparently, I'm doing bad with drinking water, but we're getting there. You can put today's plan, your stuff for this week, all that kind of stuff. I got that at Walmart for $5, but I think they discontinued this because I can't find it anymore. Right here is a tribute to my bearded dragon that passed away around my birthday. This is a little easel they gave me of his paw prints when he passed away. He's cremated in there. You're probably thinking, why did I cremate a bearded dragon? I loved him. Cremation was $120. If you want to know how much it cost to cremate him. Rest in peace, my hobby. This is my MacBook. I'm in the middle of editing this video currently. So this is the video that I'm actually shooting right now. Do most of my editing on here. This is me. Oh, would you look at that? Your favorite YouTuber. Wow. Go ahead and click that. There's no subscribe button, but just click that right there. MacBook cost me $600. I got it refurbished. If you guys come to my stream on Twitch, you'll know that I eat a lot of Chick-fil-A. So I had a Chick-fil-A lemonade earlier. That's from Chick-fil-A. I should know how much their drinks cost, and I don't. This is like a little spiderweb basket. The spiderweb basket was $1. And the eyeballs in here were $1 as well. They came in like a pack of 10. Some little things in here like scissors if I need that while I'm doing some kind of project. Here in this bucket, have a lot of my art supplies. This is a Mayron makeup palette for body painting. I almost used all of the paint in it, so I haven't body painted in a while. I do all my streaming on Twitch. This is fabric paint. I'll show you guys a jacket I painted in my closet. Text for special effects. That's just like a picture, a Polaroid I had. And this is all art supplies, so painter's tape, arts and crafts kind of stuff. And that's what this whole bucket is. All I know is that this palette was $30 because I recently bought it. All my paints were probably under $5, and I got them at AC Moore before they like shut down. So sorry, you probably can't buy those anymore. In this cubby over here, I just have books. This is my YouTube book. I'll write all of my progress that I have on YouTube, subscribers, what video I'm planning to doing, what videos went the best, and I write it in there. Those are just some wipes to keep stuff clean. And this is my book for Twitch. It has like a list of days in it, and I'll write down like how many subscribers I got that day, bits, donos, new followers, highest views that day. I put all of that stuff in that book there at the bottom. Down here, I have a projector. So it's kind of like it puts like all of these different pictures on the wall. And it has another mode where it rotates. That's the rotating feature, and like the closer it is, like the easier it is to see the pictures, and then farther away, like the harder. It's probably better, like it's better in the dark, but it's still better closer up to the wall. I got this guy right here for $15 at Big Lots, but I went to Walmart today and I saw that Walmart also had these, but Walmart sells theirs for $12. So for a little bit cheaper, go to Walmart. That's everything that's on like this first wall. I'm gonna go over here and show you guys my posters and this new chair that I got at Target. Like, I don't even shop at Target, but they had like such a good deal on it. I mean, I had to buy it. Here's just a little table that holds my Xbox One. And my controller. The table I think I bought for $5, and me and my mom redo furniture, so I made that table myself. I don't know how much my paints and stuff cost. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, the desk that's right here, my desk cost $45. I got it at some warehouse, and the trash can that I got down there, I got that from Walmart for $10. So this cute ass chair right here, I got this at Target for $35. I bought it today. It's kind of bungee. I keep it in this corner, but whenever I work at my desk, I put it at my desk. It does sit like a little bit low, but then most of the time I'll take my computer off the desk and lean back in this. It's really nice. And the good thing about this chair is it's really bouncy. It has really nice elastic in it. You know, you can just like lay here, relax. I can probably like sit here, read a book, and fall asleep. But this is like the elasticity of it and stuff like that. Who can beat it? $35, and it works as a desk. I mean, a desk chair, an office chair. Who can beat it? Nobody. Over here, I know it's a little difficult to see because of the glare. This is a Jason Lives poster. I got this at Five and Below for $5. And these little black pieces that are on the top and the bottom to make it look more posterish and frame-ish. I also got those at Five and Below for $5. So to make a full poster, it cost me $10. Same with Mr. It right here. I don't like horror movies, but I love me some It. He is my favorite horror movie, if you guys would count him as horror. That poster with the clips was $10 as well. And I forgot to show you guys, I have these little knickknacks on top of my TV. And these guys they're motion censored. They usually like she'll laugh. That's my skull, Mr. Skullington. And he's another motion censored one, and he'll yell trick or treats on my feet. I'll put in a clip of that because whenever I have them turned off because they play too many times. Got the poster for $5. Okay, we're gonna turn them off. This right here is my bed. This red comforter that I have underneath it, my grandma bought this for me, and it's like a really thin one because it was summertime. I don't know how much this was. And then I got this right here. This was $25. It's like a fleece blanket. I was gonna take it back because of how small it was. I thought it was bigger, but this fleece on the inside is so warm and so nice that I kept it. This was $25 at Spirit Halloween. And then if you guys look at my pillows over here, I know some of them don't match, but some are really comfy. So this is my Rigby. Rigby from Regular Show. These are just like regular generic pillows. Now this black one right here, I got that for $5 at a store called Roses. And this long red one, I got this at Roses too for $10. And this is the one that doesn't match my bedspread, but I usually sleep on this one because it's really fluffy and really nice. So I use that. The kind of blinds that I have don't allow me to put curtains on. So I just went ahead and got some thumbtacks and stuck this webbing on there. I got the webbing from Dollar Tree, sorry. I got it from Dollar Tree for $1. And then these are my skeleton lights. Here they are up close. The lights that I got, I ended up using 2 strands of lights. They were $2.60 a piece. So I'll say they're around $5, rough estimate. And these little skeleton guys right here, they were at Dollar Tree for $1 for 4 of them. And then I like took the yarn and I stretched them out because they were all close together and put them in between lights. These eyes that I got them at Walmart today for $10. And they just keep lighting up like this back and forth. This area right here is like my little entertainment piece that I have. The entertainment piece itself was like $100-something, but I bought it a long time ago. And then once again, me and my mom redid this and we redid the painting and everything on it. This water speaker that I have, whenever I play music, water will come up. This was about $50, my water speaker. This is just an orange bowl. I don't know how much he costs. It's just a random orange bowl, and it has my change and like a little Starbucks gift card that I've never used. Here is a Better Home and Gardens candle. I think this was like $4. I got this at Walmart. It is in Country Vanilla. On here is my record player. It is really old. I got this for Christmas about 3 or 4 years ago. This is my record player. The record that's in there right now is Elvis. The song I was listening to was called I Was the One by Elvis Presley, but my favorite song is on the back. Heartbreak Hotel. Over here, I just have 2 little cute pumpkins. And on these pumpkins, well, not on them. I got these pumpkins from Walmart. They were $1 a piece. This bookshelf, I got at the same place where I got the desk, which is a really good like price. And I got this bookshelf for $25. On the top shelf right here is like all of my boyfriend's stuff. It's like his Bible, his notes and stuff. This is the book that we're reading together right now. It's called You'll Be Mine by Natasha Preston. It's like a horror, I wouldn't even say it's slight romance, but it's like a horror Valentine's kind of thing. That's my diffuser. My aroma thing was on the other side that I tried to focus, but it wouldn't. These are Mad Libs books. I think these are hilarious. Oh, there's a deck of playing cards. that I have not opened yet. Maybe I need to play cards soon. And if you guys are new here, I'm an EMT. So this shelf that I have down here is all of my EMT stuff for things that are special to me. So I'll just show you what is on the shelf. This is just a mask, and the mask says Senpai. I love anime, and I went to an anime convention the other year and I got it from there. There we go. For this, it's my CPR mask if I'm always on the go. I can help somebody out if they need it. It has like all of like the protective equipment I need to keep myself safe while I'm giving them CPR. This right here is a tourniquet. In here it's for like if you guys are bleeding out. Right here is my stethoscope. Stethoscope is like broken now on this side, and you're probably like, why are you still keeping the stethoscope? It is a Littmann. And for my people that's in the medical field or know about Littmanns, they are pricey. And it's the first Littmann that like I ever bought myself and that I could afford. So I keep it just for like the nostalgia. Little skeleton guy that protects my closet. He was $1 at Dollar Tree. In my closet, most of my clothes are under my bed. And like these bags that like you can suck the air out of them and put them under there to save space. So in here is just mainly my jackets, my favorite shirt, pants are up top. Armrest is down there, and some shoes. This was the jacket I was telling you guys about that I painted with that stuff in my art kit. And I paint, look at the sparkles, they still work. One of the last things I have is this Joker poster. I got it the same places from the other ones. This poster was $10, and it's just a Joker, and it was $10 because of those 2 pieces. My rug from a place called Roses that I mentioned earlier for my pillows. This rug was $10. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I just finished making my room Halloween, and I'm really excited, really happy with how it turned out. Like, I just like, look at it. I love it. I just love it. Okay, I forgot to tell you guys, those guys in the background up there that were on top of my TV, they were $1 too, and I got them from Dollar Tree. If you guys like these Halloween vibes and you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. Comment down below, what's your favorite Halloween movie? Mine is It. I love It. But the next video that I was thinking about doing is a try-on haul of clothes, but Halloween edition themed outfits. Okay, so let me know if you guys would like to see something like that, or since you guys know I'm an EMT, I can tell you some of the worst stories and some of the best calls that I've had as my experience as an EMT. Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget, your existence matters. You said, what's that popping sound?
Yes.
I'm sorry, does that bother you? That's just, if you guys come look over here.
Oh.
Yeah, that's just my fireplace that's going on. It's really cozy. Do you feel the heat?
Yes, it's warm.
It is warm.